Hey babe, I'm home. Baby. Baby, your husband is back home. Aren't you going to at least give me a hug? Okay, how are you and how was business today? Did you go to the shop? Babe. Stop ignoring me. It's unfair. Babe.
Madam, dinner is ready.
I'm not hungry.
Ma?
I said I'm not hungry.
Okay. Ma, is Oga not hungry too?
Do I look like my husband? Okay, just...
Who's there? Come in.
Good evening, sir.
What do you want?
Sir, food is ready.
Food is ready.
Yes, sir.
What are we having for dinner?
Yam and egg sauce, sir.
Does my wife know food is ready?
Yes, sir, but she said she's not hungry.
Where is she?
She's in the living room.
Okay. I'll join you guys shortly. That's fine.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Please don't be offended. Please, why is Madam not happy?
Hey babe, food is ready. Let's go and eat.
Jacob,
Yeah.
I beg you with everything you hold dearly, do not disturb me.
Listen, I love you, okay? And you know I'll do anything to make you happy, but please, don't ruin our happiness over something little, something small, over nothing.
You call this something small? Wait, you call this a little thing? Now I know you don't like me and my family.
How can you possibly say that? How could you say I don't like you and your family?
You hate my family! You hate us!
Are you screaming at me? You literally just screamed at me.
What would you do? Oh, you want to beat me? Beat me now! Beat me!
Babe, listen. Let's go upstairs and talk about this, okay? Let's talk about this. Please.
I'm not going to that room with you. Just let me be. I'm not going to that room with you unless you amend your ways. And if you disturb me one more time, I'm going to sleep out. Just let me be.
You're going to sleep out.
Go and ask your ancestors.
I wasn't talking to you.
You said it to my hearing.
Why?
Adam! Adam! Adam!
Caro?
Your food have landed. So, take.
Caro? What is going on? This one you are bringing me food this early.
You don't want it.
It's a room. Let me
take it.
No, go. Come back here. Give me. Eh? Why do you have boiling blood? This small joke. You don't flame up like liquid gas. Eh? Uh-huh. Ewo. Huh? Hey! Huh? Egg sauce with yam. For a common gateman like me. Oh my God. Oh. Huh? This is good. Thank you.
So you're happy?
I'm happy.
Let me tell you, there is a story behind this food. But don't worry, relax. Eat your food very well. If Oga and Madam come out, I'll come and gist you.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
Just relax. Eat.
Okay.
Very delicious.
As we eat. No one. All this for common gateman like me. Yam with egg sauce. No quite helma. Hey. Hey. No wonder. This was exactly the same food that I saw in my dream. I am not seeing it in reality. And I'm wonder and I'm not a many even. Father, believe him. Hey.
That reminds me, babe. My mother and sister will be coming to spend some time with us. Babe, I'm talking to you. Wifey. I said my mother and sister are coming to spend some time with us. Ndidi, listen to me. I can tolerate any other thing, but don't ignore me. I married you. You're my wife. It is disrespectful to ignore your husband.
Jacob, why are you looking for my trouble? Why are you looking for my trouble? Must I even talk to you?
Really?
I don't want to scream this morning, please.
Well, in case you didn't hear me, I said my mother and sister are coming to spend some time with us. So I want you to stock the kitchen with food. When I get to the office, I'll send you some money to do that.
Let me ask you something. Do you know you're very heartless? There's no problem. You can hate whomever you chose in my family.
Ndidi, I don't hate anyone in your family. How can you even see a thing like that? please, I just need you to understand me. I just don't want your sister here. Okay? Listen, I can comfortably rent an apartment for her to stay. I don't have a problem with that. But certainly not in this house. Listen to me. I just see things from my own perspective. Biko, please.
Like, she irritates you? Is she suffering from leprosy? Is she? What do you stand to lose if she comes to this house? What?
Babe, I can clearly see we don't understand each other. However, indeed, we are beginning to lose that unity between us, and that's very dangerous. It is. Have a nice day.
Mama Ndidi! Mama Ndidi!
Nine. Oh.
I am going to attend that meeting at the palace.
Okay.
I don't want to be late.
It's okay, Big Nine, before you leave. Don't you think we should call Ndidi? To at least know the outcome of her discussion with the husband.
No, let's not call her. After all, she promised to give us feedback after discussing with her husband. Why do we need to call her?
Nine, but today is the third day now. 3 days is not enough for her to discuss with her husband. More than enough now. Or has she forgotten?
How can she forget such a thing? It's not possible.
Nine, you never can tell. Children of nowadays, they forget things easily.
Okay. Let us give her till dusk today. If she doesn't call, then tomorrow morning, first thing, we'll call her. That way we would have given her enough time to discuss with her husband, right?
Nine, I pray she calls from now till evening. That's my prayer. Because I cannot afford to disappoint Ozioma. Especially now that she has made up her mind to leave this village.
It's okay. Let's just keep our fingers open. I prefer to keep mine open. Others say keep their own crossed. I keep it open so that if there is any good news or good is coming in, I'll grab them.
I cannot wait for that good news. All I want to hear now is good news. That's all. What good news, Kazenka?
Mama,
I cannot wait for it. Anyway, before you leave, when are we going to harvest our cassava in Okonkwo farm? Before those Okonkwo criminals, we devour them for us.
Okay. Let's go there on the next Eke market day.
Next Eke market day? That's in 3 days' time now.
Of course.
Now, is it not too far? Let's go tomorrow now.
Hey, why do you speak as if you don't know the tradition of Okonkwo? No one harvests from their farmland except on a market day. You should know that.
It's true, I've forgotten.
Let me go because I don't want to be late. You know how the cake is.
Don't stay long.
I'll be there. I'll be back. Pami? But the one you finished the one I kept.
I'm just advising you.
Excuse me.
Don't branch.
What about the one I kept under the bed? I hope you've not touched it because you. No, when I go out, you will hear the thing, and when I come back, you tell me you know also. Wine. How can I see me, Jum? It is not possible. I cannot see me, Jum. So, but I'll be back.
Well, I'm not surprised.
Why are you not surprised?
I'm not surprised because I have already seen it in my dream.
Adam, Everyday dream. See, one day this thing will become madness. So, I don't they tell you now, Adam? We'll still dream of everything.
Carol, you are blaming the wrong person. I am not God that made it so. But wait. Are you saying that the food Oga and Madam refused to eat as a result of anger was the food you served me?
Yes. Don't tell me you don't love it.
Hey! Hey! Carol, so you have the guts to serve me a rejected food? Do you know if I'm a titled man? Do you?
Titled man. Are you there here? They do get man.
Title has nothing to do with occupation.
So Gatesman is now an occupation for you.
Point of correction. I am the CSO, Chief Security Officer of this very house. And let me tell you, hold your ears. Hold your ears! Never you in your entire miserable life serve me a rejected food. What happened to the dogs? Huh? What happened to them? Why didn't you give them the food to eat? Why me, Carol? Why me?
Adam, I can see you are ungrateful. Very ungrateful. But don't worry. Hunger will finish you for this house.
Go to hell.
Should I talk? Hunger will finish you, Adam.
Carol, go to hell. Do I even depend on your food? Do I? If I want to eat good food, I go to my dream and eat to my satisfaction. Do you even know how to cook? Follow me to my dream and see the kind of food I ate last night. Give out the room, lady, now. Serving me rejected food. Am I can't Guado? Huh? Am I can't Guado, Carol? Look at you. Go to hell. Go to hell.
Hey, are you serious?
No, but like seriously, I am wondering why your husband treats you and your family with so much hatred and disrespect.
I don't know why my husband hates my family this much. I'm still trying to wrap my fingers around it. But I just can't. You need to see my husband's reaction when I talk about any member of my family coming to visit. I mean, he will squeeze his face as if he's drinking a pot of bitter leaf water.
Can you imagine? My dear, you need to stand your ground. No, like seriously, you need to stand your ground. Of course, my husband, he don't dare try this nonsense with me. Look, gone are those days he tried doing such thing to me. And trust me, I didn't give him the slightest space in it. I stood my ground and I fought tooth and nail. Now, what is the end result? I have 2 of my siblings living in my house comfortably. My dear, you don't need to give him that chance to treat you like a piece of paper. No!
And I'm just asking for one. Just one person to visit. I'm trying to understand what my sister will block my husband from gaining if she moves into our home. Tell me. Nothing. It's confusing because he's becoming inaccessible to me and is making me uncomfortable. I can't take it anymore.
Come to think of it, are you sure your mother-in-law is not behind all this? No, don't even give me that look. Because I know so many mother-in-laws who has nothing to do with their time other than poke-nosing into their children's affair. And who knows, maybe your husband might be one of those mommy's pets that runs to their mothers on any little argument they have with their family or wife. You need to wake up. You need to wake up. Else this man will push you far away from your family. And you won't like it. You won't like the outcome.
Are you sure my mother-in-law can do that?
I am not guessing. I am telling you that I know that she is behind this. Ace, don't be sleeping on the bicycle. Wake up! Wake up!
Ozema, please, I want you to help me talk to my girlfriend. She is threatening to quit our relationship.
Hey, they're going to breakfast. What happened?
She said her cousin brother Jerry asked her to break up with me just because I fought with him.
That Jerry must be very stupid. Is he mad? What is his business with your relationship? So simply because you fought him, he wants the sister to stop dating you. Continue with your relationship.
Ozioma, that is not what I'm talking about now. You have to talk to her. I know she's a girl like you. She will listen to you. Just help me talk to her.
EJ love. Okay, I will try. I will talk to her.
Ozioma, you see, you have to help me talk to her. You are the reason why I'm in this problem. I fought Jerry because of you.
How?
You now?
How am I?
You can accuse him. Are you not the cause of this problem? Just help me. Because I don't want to lose him.
You fought Jerry because you fought Jerry because of me. See, if not that you're my senior brother, I would have slapped the living hell out of your mouth. Are you supposed to slap my boyfriend? No, are you supposed to fight my boyfriend? Huh? It's because you're my brother. That's why I just allowed it to slide like that. Do you think I'm happy with you for fighting my boyfriend? Don't you know Jerry is my boyfriend? Are you supposed to fight him? Okay,
Ozioma,
I'll help you. But stop claiming what you're not. You fought Jerry.
Chineke. What's going on? Who be that? Who did that? Mama. Hey.
Adam.
You're welcome.
How are you?
Good afternoon. I'm fine, ma. Adezi, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
God is my strength.
Adam, is my son on the way?
Mama, they are not back yet. Didn't you call them before coming?
I called Brother Jacob. His line was not available. Then I called his wife, but she wasn't answering.
Well, this is so touching. So touching. Mama, don't worry. You people have beaten the cut-off mark of our protocol. After all, the house is also yours.
The house is mine. You don't need to remind me that.
I'm happy with your bag, You see, Mama, let me tell you, I saw this you're coming in my trip. But I want to
Is there any time you do not dream?
You know, in my room of ma.
And that's your dream. Did you see me eating chicken?
Mama, calm down, you know.
You see?
Didi. And who's this person that's been calling, that you've been ignoring his or her call?
It's not important.
But that's your mother-in-law calling.
Like I said, she is not important.
Hey, my friend. I would advise you to take her call, at least to know why she's calling you.
She has nothing important to say. Okay? I'm sure she's calling me because she has arrived at my house. Because before I left this morning, my husband told me that she and his younger sister are coming over today.
Now, this is pure injustice. This is pure injustice. Your husband does not want your family anywhere around the house, but he allows his family to troop in and out of the house as if they own the house. This is unacceptable. See, I think I need to talk to your husband, at least to talk some sense into him.
No, you don't need to bother yourself. You don't... Oh, God! You don't need to bother yourself, okay? He's my husband and I know how to handle him. You see him and his family, I will put them in their place. Not to worry. You don't need to waste your saliva. I know what to do.
Honestly speaking, Ndidi, if I were to be in your shoes, I won't take this one bit. I will not take this one bit. Because these people are literally tramping on you.
You've not seen the bad side of me. You don't need to see the bad side of me. Just watch and see the drama unfold.
I just hope you can handle this thing the way, because right inside my head, this head is about to blow, because I am not... Oh no, this is... Better act fast. You just have to act fast. Else, this will spoil something for you. Honestly.
Carol, open the door for me. Let me enter. Eh? What is your problem? Why are you stopping me from entering my own son's house? Is it your house?
Carol, open this door. Do you want to lose your job? You guys are talking to the wrong person here. Please help me out. Comply with me. I can't open this door. I'm acting based on instructions.
Eh? Carol, biko no. Just look at me very well. I am an old woman. I've trekked a long distance. I need to go in and sit down and rest. My legs and my waist are paining me because they know what.
Mama, it's okay. You can sit down here. Just look at the seat. Just sit down here. Sit down here and start calling Oga or Madam. Anyone will pick tell me say, "I open this door." I'll open it. Please, I'm sorry. Sit down.
What's in a rest outside. Here. Dear Adam, you are here. You don't want to say anything. Eh? Can't you tell this stupid girl to open the door for me? Let me go inside.
But Mama, what do you want me to say? You heard her saying she's acting based on instruction. Carol? Come, I want to see perfectly. Come. Come. Yeah, come.
You want to make sure that the door is locked? Eh?
Mama, what is going on in this house? Like, I'm not understanding it. I smell foul play. Yes, I smell a foul play in this house.
That is not my worry. I am bothered why Ndidi is not picking her calls. Eh? She did not pick your own call. Now she's not picking mine. And another thing, she does not go to work whenever I'm coming to the city. Why did she go to work today? And why had she refused to pick my calls?
Mama, just wait. Let me call Brother Chico. Just hold on. Let me call.
Let her call him. What is all this? Eh? Now come here. Here, Mami, come here. Come.
Carol?
What is it?
Why did you refuse to open door for Oga Mama and the sister? Why?
I tell you, say, Madam, say, I no open door for anybody. Even you.
You the crazy? Oga Mama and anybody? Eh? In fact, as a matter of fact, she is the reason why we are working for Oga today.
How she take do her?
How she take do her? No be she born Oga. No be she born Oga. If she no born Oga come this world, how you want to take the work for Oga? Eh? Now let me tell you. Go and open that door before you will lose your job. No talks I not tell you.
Adams, I told you before. Madam say make I no open door for anybody. That includes Oga Mama, Oga sister, you. Anybody. I beg. Now Madam carry me come here and I dey loyal to her.
Now Madam carry you come here and they loyal to her. Okay. Okay, let me ask you this question. Carol, Oga and Madam, who gets rank pass? No, whose rank you they fear pass? I don't know.
Hey, Adams. So you've not heard of power of a woman? You've not heard? Calm down, may God use your beg. Fear women. Fear them very, very well.
Okay. I should fear women, eh? Okay. We're going to do it this way, eh?
Brother, as I'm talking to you now, Mama and I, we are still outside. Yes. Carol, she's here. Carol, take this call.
Will you take that call? Take that phone.
Take this call now. Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir, no, sir. Sir, I was acting based on instruction. Yes, sir, from Madam. Ah, sir, you're not aware of it. Sir, I'm sorry. I don't know. Yes, Madam said I should not allow Adeze or Mama to enter this house.
Oh, see?
Okay, sir. No, sir. Sorry, sir. I'll do that, sir. Sorry.
Ah! Easy now with the quarrel. Become a poser and take her bags inside. I'm not here. Stupid, foolish, senseless, and useless house girl. Now my best. Open that door!
You, Carol, if you did not take time in this house, you will lose your job.
My poser! Open the door. Open that door.
You waiting, you still dey wait for? Go your gate now, go stay.
See, Carol. This was exactly what I saw in my dreams. You have to be very careful and always listen to me and my dreams.
Come on, smell out of this place.
I should smell out of this place. Come on.
You save the dream.
Why did you open the door? If you don't open them now, I go just bundle it back to your village. Huh? I'm not taking all of my I'm not trying to get it. If you don't open this door, make you see yourself a village. You know, these days, I'm not going to get it.
Oziama!
Mama!
Where are you?
Mama, I'm here.
Please, take care of the house. I'm going for a meeting and I'll be back by 6 p.m. If your father comes back from the farm, please serve him lunch. Oh, Biko.
Okay. Hey, Mama, please wait, one more thing. You know you said Sister Didi is going to call you back to tell you about my traveling to the city. So has she called you?
Not yet, my daughter. But if we did not hear from her, your father will call her tomorrow.
Mama, I'm worried though. Are you sure she really wants me to come to the city? This might be delayed tactics so that she's using to make me lose interest. Yes. Because she's supposed to have called you since now.
Uzioma, let's not assume. Like I said, if she did not call us today, your father will call her tomorrow.
Okay, let me wait because I can't wait to travel.
You will travel. Biko, don't leave this house.
Mama, I'm not going anywhere, I've told you.
Let me run.
No problem. He has already washed my clothes.
Don't worry, we'll go to the city. Okay.
Go on, bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye.
Mama, if anybody tells me that Brother Jacob's wife will order her maid not to let us inside, I will not believe it.
Adeze, I am yet to believe that indeed he will give such instructions against me. Didi is a nice girl. She's the best daughter-in-law anyone could ever ask of. And she's the best daughter-in-law I have ever seen.
Yes, she is. Mama, I'm suspecting something is going on between she and brother.
Well, we are here. Whatever the problem is, we will find out whenever they come back.
Okay, she says, Mama, don't forget to tell brother what I told you.
Adeze, you never cease to amaze me. Your brother is coming back to this house. We are already here. So what stops you from telling him by yourself?
But Mama, that is not what we agreed on. Remember, I might even tell him he will not believe me.
What guarantee do we have that if I tell him, he will believe me or take it serious?
Are you not his mother?
Besides, he always listens to you more than any other person. So, better tell him more.
Ndidi, my hands up. No problem. Please. I will tell him by myself. Let me rest in peace. I trekked a long distance.
Mama, don't you think you need a glass of juice?
Who will serve me?
Caro, of course.
Caro?
Caro!
How long did she take her to open the door
Wait,
for
now
us?
let me call her.
Caro!
If you want me to drink a cup of juice, go inside there and bring it for me. Caro will not.
Okay.
Adams.
Madam.
Come here.
Hello. Madam.
You were saying something about my mother-in-law.
Oh, yes, ma. Yes, ma.
And when did they arrive?
Around 2 p.m.
Where are they now?
They are inside. Ma, sorry. Please, I want to tell you something.
Okay.
Oh, Makadia Mama. Makadia Mama. Please, ma. Next time, if you want to give security instructions, don't give it to Caro. Caro is just a maid. And aside being a maid, she is just a girl. An ordinary girl for that matter. Let me tell you, she can't handle security matters. Such instructions should be given to me, CSO, Chief Security Officer.
Adams!
Ma?
Is your brain functioning well?
Very well, ma.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, ma.
So who are you to tell me what to do and what not to do in my house?
CSO.
CSO?
Yes, ma.
I think you're tired of this job.
No. Madam, I cannot even be tired of this job even in the next 5 years. Until possible.
I'm having a look out for my site.
Thank you, ma. Just a simple thing. Be giving me these such instructions. Just be giving me the instructions. I am the CSO. CSO. I am the CSO. Chief Security Officer. If I may be a job, the whole world will blame me. Huh? I think I'm not going to now.
I couldn't find any juice, so I managed this apple.
Okay. Yes, I'm very, very hungry.
You like it?
You know I'm very hungry.
I know. Mama, do you see that? Eh?
What is wrong with Ndidi?
What is wrong with her? Mama, that's an insult. That's an insult to you.
Adeze, calm down. This is not the time for this.
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down, Mama. She cannot just pass and eat without even greeting you. Who is she? I cannot even do that to her mom.
It's okay, Adeze. Salutation, they said, is not love. Moreover, one who was not there when a corpse was buried will always start digging it out from the wrong side. And we have to calm down because I think something prompted her actions. Something is wrong somewhere.
Mama, I did not see any reason she would pass without greeting you. If she's having any issue with my brother, she should go and face him, not to pour the anger on you. See, next time she will do that, I'm going to teach her a lesson she will regret.
It's okay.
No, Mama, I don't want to eat again. I'm okay.
Relax, eh? Don't worry.
Ndidi, what was that you did today? Ndidi, what was that you did today? You asked the house help to lock my mother and sister out. Have you gone mad? Are you sick in the head? Really? You want to walk out on me? My friend, sit down!
Jacob, I thought you were sensible. If you touch me again, I will topple this house!
Wait. You locked my mother and sister out. And you had the guts to talk to me? You had the guts to talk back at me? Ndidi! Listen. Exactly when did you become a she-devil?
Because I'm married to the devil. Jacob, you're satanic. And don't make me hate you.
Come back here. Ndidi, are you walking after me? What's going on? What's happening here? I don't understand. I don't want Ozioma in this house. I have my reasons. Why can't you see things from my own point of view? I don't know how else to describe this situation. I don't know. I'm just...
I like him. He's funny.
Yeah. Mama, I hope you are enjoying the movie.
Yes, I am. He is my favorite actor. Wow! Hi. This movie is very interesting.
Madam, why are you lying down on my couch like that?
Ndidi, is something wrong with your head? Why did you talk to my mother like that? And what gave you the right to off this television?
The last time I checked, this is my house.
This is not your house. It's my brother's house. You are just an ordinary wife.
I'm glad you acknowledge the fact that I'm your brother's wife. So what difference does it make?
My daughter, what is the problem? You have really changed. Ever since we came from the village, you have been acting strange. First,
I told my housemaid not to let you both enter my house. And for your information, you're no longer welcome here.
Huh? That I'm no longer welcomed in my own son's house. Were you there when I gave birth to him? Or did you share my pain when I was in labor?
Did you? Madam, you're not the only one that has given birth to a son. You are not the only one. You both should leave my sitting room this minute.
And we are not going anywhere. You don't even have any right to send us out of this sitting room.
Let me tell you something. If you're looking for a place to control, go and get married. But right now, you will leave this place or I pull this house down. Don't you try me. Don't.
No. It's okay. Huh? Mama, please, don't tell me that it's okay. Please, leave me.
Let us leave the sitting room.
Mama, we are not going anywhere. Don't tell me that. We are going to stay here. Allow me to watch this girl. Let me see what she's going to do.
Wait, let me tell you. If you wake up in the morning and a cock chases you, the best thing to do then is to run. Because you don't know whether the cock grew teeth in the night.
Mama,
let us go to.
We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. This woman cannot send us out of this place.
Let me tell you something. You have left the sitting room. It's just only for you to tell the story of how you left.
Biko.
Mama, please leave me. Mama, please leave me.
No,
Mama, leave me.
Eh? Two people does not run mad.
I'm respecting you, Mama. For this woman, allow me to teach her a lesson of her life. Stupid woman.
Look at you.
Go.
That's what it is. Carry your mommy's baby. Your mom is still carrying your mother. Look at you. Your maid are doing 5 children in the house and you're still worried. Come and sit down. Come and sit. You never let me now. I'm a jelly. Fool. You're a fool. You're a ghost. At your maid, at your age, your mom is still dragging you up and down. You don't have shame. You think you're still a child. Come and suck breast. Come and suck. Idiot. Rubbish.
Ndubisi, where is this boy? Ndubisi, so you can't answer your name, eh? That's Fagokwe. Let's go to the farm before sunset.
Papa, what are you talking about? Did we arrange going to the farm?
I thought I told you yesterday we'll be going to the farm.
You did, Papa, but I'm not going anywhere.
Why? What will you be doing at home?
Papa, what I'm doing at home is none of your business. Just allow me. I am mourning someone very important to me.
Who are you mourning? Whom are you mourning in particular, Ndubisi?
I am mourning my relationship you shattered. Papa, you really dealt with me. Papa, can you Maggie? Can you John Maggie? Why are you treating me like this? I swear with my life I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you. You don't want my happiness.
Ndubisi, sometimes I wonder if I'm your real father. Just thank God that girl is no more on your way. She will have ruined your life. My friend, get up. Let us go to the farm.
Papa, I am not going anywhere. Yes.
We are not going anywhere. Nsuwa draw. Okwanona. I was just so. I go mile. Okwanona. Oh, Monagan. Okwanona. Stop shedding that tear, crocodile tears. It will help you. As long as I'm concerned, that girl, that stupid girl, will not step an inch into this house. Bet me.
Ozioma.
No. She's not picked.
She has not picked at all. Trying her line all this while. Eh? I wonder why she has refused to pick her calls. Eh?
I hope all is well with her. Okay, you know what? Call the husband.
Eh? That one? Does he ever pick his calls? He does not take his calls. Let me keep trying in the day. Let me keep trying in the day.
Nah, leave him and call the husband. He's the only one that can explain to us the situation of things. Eh? I don't even understand why someone will have phone and you will not pick calls. Okay, where will she tell us that she kept her phone now?
I just hope she has not lost her phone.
Call the husband, let's know exactly what is happening.
Okay. Son-in-law. I told you. I told you. He doesn't pick his calls.
Nah, but you just called him only once now. Call him again. Yeah. If one man wants to conclude, call him again.
Hello? My wonderful in-law, how are you? How is my daughter? You are in a meeting? Okay. I'll be expecting your call, eh? Yes. Please, try and call me later, after the meeting, please. It's important, eh? Okay.
He would have listened to you to know why you're calling him now.
The young man said he's in a meeting. Yeah? He will call me back. At least he promised he will call me back. Let's wait.
That was your father-in-law, right?
Yes, Mama.
Why did you end the call on him like that? You should have waited to find out why he was calling.
Because I was going to call back.
Okay. My son, please, I want you to tell me the truth. What is going on between you and your wife? Since we came from the village, she has been acting strange. This is not the Ndidi I used to know.
Mama, we just had a little misunderstanding, that's all.
Little misunderstanding, you said?
Yes.
Remember that a spike of plug can burn down the whole estate. So, tell me, what is that little misunderstanding?
Mama, a few days ago, my wife told me her father had called her to plead for her younger sister to come spend some time with us, but I disagreed.
What was your reason?
I just don't want her to come.
No, my son. You have to allow her to come. Or do you want your wife to feel marginalized? Even seeing us here alone has sent the wrong impression. Marriage is not a one-sided business. It is a centralized business, just like in football. You give me, I give you. Both families have equal rights to come to this house.
Mama, I'm not saying my wife's family cannot pay us a visit, but I strongly disagree with Ozioma coming here.
Can you give me a reason why you disagreed? Did she do anything to you? This house is too big to accommodate over 20 people. You have to allow her to come. Please, just for peace to reign.
Mama, I've heard you. I've heard you.
It's okay. Thank you, my son. I want to tell you that we'll be leaving tomorrow to the village. So you have to make available what I asked of you.
That's okay, Mama. Yeah, Mama, I was going to tell you this. I'm of the opinion Adeze remains here with me. I strongly believe there are good fashion houses where she can learn a skill as opposed to going back to the village.
No. She will go with me to the village because I want her to learn the skill in the village where I will keep an eye on her.
All right. If you say so, it's no problem. Mama, why are they flies in the house? Anybody open the door?
Maybe. Where is this girl? Carol!
Get something to fix the house.
Carol! Where is this girl?
Adam, what is it?
What
are you looking at?
What did you use to see me? Eh? Is you away from? Huh? Won't you mind your business? See, this is money, no. I don't have strength to talk.
See, let me tell you. You see that you want to see, you will never see it. I don't they enter your
See who is talking? What I've seen already. Should I tell you the color? What about that?
What color?
Are you a baby? Eh? See, we are one. Stop guiding me. Not the guy me. Now what will be?
Adam, so you dey here they look my pant, abi? You dey here they peep, eh? I'll go report you to.
And in that case, let me escort you. Let me escort you so that you go and tell Oga. Let me tell you, like I said before, we are one. Eh? No, they stop all this nonsense what they do. You know, go help you.
It is say you get sense. For your mind now, you get sense, abi? I go tell you say a wise man for England, na mugu for Naija. Come see again.
This thing why I don't carry my eyes see. If Carol no kill me for this house, I no go die. Eh? This thing why I don't see, I must chop him. I go chop him either by hook or by crook. If I no chop him, thunder fire devil. Go chop him.
Baby, please, you need to stop picking on me. You must understand that I love you so much, and I made a vow to love you till death.
Please don't make this room uncomfortable for me. Or do you want me to leave?
Slow down, come here. Slow down. You need to slow down. Slow down on me, please. Take it easy on me, please. I beg of you. I'm tired. I'm tired of fighting. I just want peace. I want a peaceful home. I have never seen any issue resolved with violence. Please, I love you. I love you, everything. Your sister can come. Your sister can come and stay with us. I don't want any more problems.
Are you kidding me, baby? Are you serious?
Yeah, I mean, Ozioma can come and spend as much time. I just want you to be happy. I'm tired of fighting. Can't you see that? It's okay. It's alright.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you, my actions, the way I treated Mama. I'm sorry for everything. please forgive me?
It's okay. I forgive you. I forgive you. I do. It's okay. It's all in the past now, alright?
My parents called me all through yesterday, but I couldn't take their calls because I hadn't approved.
I know. Your dad also called me and I had to lie to him. I told him I had a meeting and I couldn't speak to him at that time. I was going to call him back. But it was all a lie. Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
It's okay, baby. Where is Mama?
She's downstairs.
Who is distracting you?
Mama, you have started again. Please leave me. Ochakomaka, what is it? Do you want to chase us out of the living room again? If it is what you are up to this time around, it won't work because I'm fully ready for you.
It's okay. Relax.
Mama, good morning.
Good morning, my dear. How was your night?
Please, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry for my actions. I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you. I'm sorry, Mama. I don't know what to say, but I'm just sorry.
It's okay, my dear. I know who you are. What transpired between you and my son was actually his fault. And I told him that to his face. But where you got it all wrong was transferring the aggression to Adeze and I, when we know nothing about what was going on.
I'm sorry, Mama. Please. I know I overreacted. But please find a place in your heart to forgive me. It will never happen again. I promise. Never.
No problem. I bear no grudges against you. I have already forgiven you before you ask of it.
Thank you, Mama.
Now
It's
get
okay.
up and sit beside me.
It's okay, stand up. We are forgiving you.
Mama. Mama, how are you?
I'm fine. And you? Okay. My son is taking good care of you as always.
Yes, Mama.
Ndidi, yes. I miss that vegetable soup you used to prepare for us anytime we visited.
Longer throat. Okay. I'll prepare anything you want me to prepare. And today, not going to shop. I'll be at home.
Are you serious?
You see, my daughter-in-law is now back. I told you that anytime she knows I'm coming to the city, she will not go to work. She will stay around and look after her mother.
Okay, Mama, let me go upstairs and stay with my husband for a while. He's getting ready for work. Okay. And when he's off, I will come down. I know we have so many things to talk about, plenty gist. And you. Sales at Coco, you give it to me today.
Oh, yeah, I'm ready. I'm waiting for you.
Okay, I'm coming.
Who, Mama, you know I love Coco.
You are not good.
Sister, so this is where you live?
This is where we're managing.
Biko. How can you call this magnificent edifice managing? Oh, maybe it's when you now go to White House. That is when you know it's not managing. You know how beautiful. This is like heaven on earth. Oh. Okay, so you call this one managing. Where will you now call managing? Hey! Let me really go on. Hey! Chill.
You know?
This is where I'll be chilling.
You know?
Because I want to chill with the big girl.
Alright, come, let's go in there so I can show you to your room.
Sister Biko, why you go where? Come with Anyambaro when Christmas. Let me look around and appreciate the wonderful thing God has done for my beautiful sister. It's not easy. Not easy. Only have been a mansion. Oh my God, this place is so beautiful. My flower, everything. My flower, everything. Hey! What's your space? About the football. Hi! God! My sister, I'm so happy for you. So this is where you live with your husband alone.
Yes, so.
He charge a phone on Anka. And you want to say Anka. Anka. Oh God. Enjoyment.
Oh, yeah?
The place is beautiful. The place is amazing.
Thank you.
Hey!